Even the authors of one of these studies have now admitted publicly that the insurance companies actually asked them to do an incomplete job. And we've got thousands of unemployed construction.
So, I think it's an incomplete project.
However slow, however incomplete, however harshly challenged at each point on our journey, however flawed our leaders, however many times we have to take a quarter of a loaf or half a loaf, the story of America is a story of
America is a story of progress. Sometimes halting, sometimes incomplete, sometimes harshly challenged.
In our discussions, we recognize that this process is still incomplete.
And success, however small, however incomplete, success is still success.
Planet. How do you grade the global response to the climate change movement thus far?
We get an incomplete, but the good news is we can still pass the course if we make some good decisions.